Well, this wasn't going to be a video, but I'm going to turn into a video because I think this is pretty cool. We found this light walking in the woods. It's like an LED. It's all freaking beat up. I want to restore it to the best of my ability. And I want to make a video on YouTube about it. And this is going to be the beginning of the video. So if you're watching this, stay tuned. Alright, we're back at the shop with this light. So you can get a better look at it. Turn on my other light here too. There we go. Look at that. That is just dirty and beat up and just like it was in the woods. Nilight. Let's get it apart. Alright. Oh my God. That's on there. This might be the wrong size. Let's see if we can go one size smaller. There we go. Oh. Not that it'll help, but let's spray a little cleaner on here. Just a little glass cleaner. Give it a little lubrication maybe. Oh man. Alright. That needs the bigger one. Nope. Let's try the drill. Not enough power. Alright, we got the ratchet out. Got the big guns. Here we go. Get that last one out. Let's straighten the other side too. Packed with dirt she is. Get the other side off. I already got the top and the bottom off this. Let's get these pieces restored. First of all, let's spray all this down. Yeah. Get our handy dandy brush here. Start brushing it down. Just to clean it up a little bit. I don't know why or how this nut got in here, but I'm going to try to get it out. Bingo! There we go. don't recommend doing this without gloves. I'm just crazy. Ugh, look at that desk. Jesus. A little smaller, let's get these bits out. Probably this guy. Yep, put the ratchet on there. Get these screws out. Same size as the last ones for the glass. Not the same length, that's for sure. Alright, good down. Pull that out. And we have a actual screwdriver head that we'll just use a regular screwdriver for. Right there. That's what it looks like. Here it was glued or thermal pasted to this guy. Alright, now it went all fully apart here. Get this off. Set that in there. Alright, that plastic piece looking all nice. Let's get the lens all cleaned up. A lot of dirt in there. Hoo-wee. It's a little dinged up, but that's okay. So that other rubber piece we're good. Let's get the other rubber piece clean. Alright, much better, much better. Get over there with the other one. Let's get this reflective surface cleaned up. Alright, got that all sparkly clean. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. Put that aside now. Let's get this board cleaned up. Some rubbing alcohol on here. In several different places. Give that a scrub with the brush here. Anti-static wipe. Board a wipe. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, let's try to get that cleaned up. Ugh. That is gross in there. Alright, we got this bad boy all cleaned up the best we can. This desk is a mess. I collect all our little screws. We got the other side pieces painted. We got all the other pieces over here clean and ready to be reinstalled. We got all our screws. We got that nut out of there. This is going to be a crazy before and after, that's for sure. There we go. We got a nice light coat of silver paint on that, but you can still see the Nilight. Nothing too crazy. Just one light coat of silver paint. Make it look a little better. Let's untape this board and get this thing back together. Alright, here she is, the finished product. Look at her glimmering. Not too bad. For finding this in the woods. Alright. She's all hooked up to power. Oh. Look at that. Beautiful. Hey guys, thanks for watching that LED restoration video. If you liked that video and other videos like it, be sure to share the video so others can see it too. Like the video to show me you guys like it. Comment maybe, tell me what you liked about it. And subscribe so you can see more videos like it. Again, thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you next time. Have a good one.